Cryptocurrency useful terminology. Alts, all coins other than BTC. ATH, all-time high, ATL, all-time low. BAG, indicating that you hold a large quantity of a coin. HODL, hold on to dear life. Indicating not to panic sell. BTFD, buy the F-ing dip. BTD, buy the dip. Bearish, negative price movements. Bullish, positive price movements. Dire, do your own research. Dump, a coin which falls exponentially in price in short time frame. Rug pull, when the developer takes out all the liquidity in their coin and runs away with the money. Also known as a scam. FA, fundamental analysis, analysis which is based on news and market surroundings. TA, technical analysis, analysis based on graphs. EMA, MACD, support, resistance. FOMO, fear of missing out. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. MCAP, market cap of a coin, the total amount of money invested into that coin. Shitcoin, a coin with no purpose or utility. Wrecked, when you have lost more than 50% of your investment. Whale, someone with more than 100 BTC. Huge investors. Shilling, doing secretive marketing of a coin in different groups. Hype, a coin which is being promoted greatly on social media. DeFi, decentralized finance. E.g. loans. DEX, decentralized exchanges. E.g. PancakeSwap, Uniswap. SEX, centralized exchanges, e.g. Binance, Qcoin. NFT, non-fungible tokens, also known as digital art. ICO, initial coin offering. TP, take profit. EDO, initial DEX offering.